How easy it is to download a version of FairCom Edge. First, we're going to go to the website. The URL is faircom.com. Just enter this. You're going to see the top download section. You're going to be able to download a trial version of any of these products. For ease, I've already pressed FairCom Edge and entered some pre-selected test data. So I'm just going to press download here. It's going to take us to whichever version we want. Today I want to show you how easy it is to download the Mac version. It's macOS. I currently am running a Mac M1 chip, 2022. So I'm going to choose the macOS. I'm going to click here. It's going to show me down here on my toolbar the FairCom Edge download. Once it's complete, it's going to expand it. And there it is, right here in my download section. So we suggest moving it in Mac to a pre-configured folder. Currently my download should work just fine for this demonstration. So I'm going to open the FairCom folder that was extracted. I like to view it as columns, so I just find it a little bit easier. So inside of that FairCom product, we have a contents folder, another subfolder. What's important here is inside of home. And then inside of here is where we have all of the server information. So for example, if you want to change your configuration, you're going to go in config. But for today's purposes, we're just going to start today's server. We're going to go inside server. For Mac, I suggest opening up a command shell and then cding into that server directory. Once you're inside, there's a couple ways to start your FairCom server. Easiest way is going to be running the FairCom command. And just like that, we can see our demo evaluation edition of the FairCom server has begun. So if we want to view that, we just need to go to localhost 8443. You're going to have to continue past the Chrome protection precautions. And here we are, right here at the right here at the FairCom Edge landing page. That's how quick and easy it is to download FairCom Edge from the FairCom website. Thank you.